yung nakalagay doon sa ating Certificate of Appreciation. In recognition of your significant contribution to the success of Calle Basketball Fellowship. Next plaque of appreciation is for Phil Asia and JJRKFM. And of course, for Ambassador Supermarket. Ambassador Group of Companies. Only in performance, but also in attitude, such as sportsmanship and respect. We would like to first call from Kuwait Pinoy Ballers, Benji Makabani.
Yun o! Sapit mo na yan! Mikos, Mikos!
Si JC pala.
The next award is for Alpha Compliance Award. This is the first team to complete the required paperwork and 2 fellowship meetings. This award is given to Mekus team. Alpha is someone who has observed as proactive, was able to lead his team to complete the requirements on time.
Idol! Import!
This year, 2024. Best Performing Player of the Season whose performance led his team to win the championship award. Observed to have displayed the expected KBF values of sportsmanship, obedience, professionalism, and respect. KBF MVP for this 2024 is from New Manila, Mr. Mark Kenneth Capili.
Oy!
Congratulations!
Idol! Grabe ba? Sirado na ng avenues niyan. Lode!
Now call our second runner-up for the KBF 2024. I would like to call the team of Kuwait Pinoy Ballers.
Oy! To!
Runner-up KBF 2024. May we call on Phil Asia.
Oy! Oy! Starting na guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a round of applause. Kali Management.
Change.
Phil Asia. And JJRKFM.
Ambassador Group of Companies.
Our beloved JIL, Country Pastor, Pastor David
Herrero and Sister Josie Herrero. And for our winning teams, may we call on Kuwait Pinoy Ballers.
Yun o. Ha? Shout out. All the time. God is good. Mikos, Mikos. Dre. Uy. Aham.
Indian champion of New Manila. And now, tinatawagan ko po